Europe is full of iconic landmarks, but what if I told you the most unforgettable places are the ones most travelers overlook? Today, we're counting down 7 jaw-dropping destinations in Europe that mix beauty, history, culture, and pure magic. Stay till the end. Number 7 is a place most tourists never expect, yet it looks straight out of a fantasy movie. 1. Paris, France, the city of eternal romance. Paris isn't just a destination, it's an emotion. Whether you're strolling along the Seine River, watching the Eiffel Tower sparkle at night, or sipping coffee in a cozy Montmartre cafe, the city feels like a living postcard. Paris is packed with world-class art inside the Louvre, stunning architecture like Notre Dame, and charming neighborhoods where every street feels cinematic. The magic of Paris lies in the small moments. A fresh croissant at sunrise, a boat ride at sunset, or discovering hidden bookstores that feel untouched by time. Food lovers will be in heaven with fresh pastries, gourmet cheese, and Michelin star restaurants everywhere. From luxury shopping to quiet parks to lively nightlife, Paris blends elegance, culture, and romance in a way no other city can. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, Paris always finds a way to surprise you. 2. Santorini, Greece, the blue-white paradise. Santorini looks exactly like a dream. Whitewashed houses cascading down cliffs, bright blue domes, golden sunsets, and crystal clear waters. It's one of those destinations where every corner is picture perfect. The island sits on a volcanic caldera, giving you dramatic views you won't find anywhere else in Europe. Whether you're wandering through Oya's narrow paths, relaxing at black sand beaches, or tasting world-famous Greek wine, Santorini combines beauty with tranquility. It's a paradise for honeymooners, photographers, and anyone who wants a break from busy city life. The sunsets alone are worth the trip. Thousands gather each evening to watch the sky turn orange, pink, and purple. Add traditional Greek food, warm hospitality, and scenic boat tours, and Santorini becomes the ultimate relaxing escape. It's a place where time slows down, and every moment feels like a memory in the making. 3. Rome, Italy, the city of ancient wonders. Rome is where history comes alive. One moment, you're eating gelato, and the next, you're standing in front of a 2,000-year-old monument. The Colosseum, Roman Forum, Pantheon, and Vatican City make Rome one of the most historically rich cities in the world. But the charm isn't just in the landmarks, it's in the energy of the streets. Rome is loud, lively, and full of personality. The food scene is unbeatable. Fresh pasta, creamy gelato, and espresso that will change your life. Wander through quaint neighborhoods like Trastevere, where old buildings and cobblestone streets feel like a movie set. Whether you love history, culture, food, or adventure, Rome has something for everyone. And at night, the city glows beautifully under golden street lamps, offering magical strolls past fountains and ancient walls. Rome isn't just visited, it's experienced. 4. Interlaken, Switzerland, Europe's adventure capital. If Europe had a capital for adrenaline and natural beauty, it would be Interlaken. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, with towering alpine peaks all around, this Swiss town is a paradise for adventure lovers. You can skydive, paraglide, kayak, hike scenic mountain trails, or take cable car rides to breathtaking viewpoints like Harder Kolm. The Jungfrau Joch Railway, known as the Top of Europe, offers a once-in-a-lifetime journey through snow-covered landscapes. But Interlaken is not just about thrilling activities. It's also incredibly peaceful. Crystal clear lakes, charming chalets, and green valleys make it the perfect escape from busy city life. Whether you're sipping hot chocolate in winter or exploring turquoise lakes in summer, Interlaken feels like stepping into a fairy tale postcard. For pure nature and adventure, few places compare. 5. Barcelona, Spain. Art, culture, and beach life. Barcelona is a city that dances. It's colorful, creative, and full of life. The first thing you'll notice is the architecture, especially Antoni Gaudi's masterpieces like the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell, which make the city feel surreal and artistic. Barcelona blends culture with relaxation perfectly. You can explore busy markets like La Boqueria, eat delicious tapas, enjoy flamenco nights, and then walk straight to the beach. The energy is infectious, whether it's street performers on La Rambla or lively neighborhoods like El Born and Gothic Quarter. The food scene is incredible, from seafood paella to modern Catalan cuisine. Add museums, nightlife, football passion at Camp Nou, and friendly locals, and Barcelona becomes a destination that suits every traveler. It's a city that inspires creativity and invites you to enjoy life with every step. 6. Prague, Czech Republic, the fairy tale city. Prague feels like walking inside a medieval fairy tale. With its Gothic towers, cobblestone streets, charming bridges, and castle overlooking the city, the atmosphere is magical. The Charles Bridge at sunrise is a sight you'll never forget. Peaceful, golden, and almost dreamlike. Prague Castle, the astronomical clock, and old town squares add history and elegance to the city. But Prague is also surprisingly affordable compared to other European capitals, making it great for budget travelers. The food is hearty and delicious. The nightlife is vibrant, and the cozy cafes are perfect for relaxing after long walks. Every corner of Prague has a story, and every street feels like it belongs in a fairy tale book. It's perfect for couples, solo travelers, and anyone who loves beauty mixed with history. Once you visit, you'll want to return again. 7. Hallstatt, Austria, a dream village on a lake. Hallstatt is one of the most beautiful small towns in the world. A place so perfect, it looks unreal. Nestled between a shimmering lake and steep mountains, this Austrian village feels like a peaceful fantasy world. Wooden houses line the waterfront, swans glide over the lake, and misty mornings make the entire village look magical. It's the perfect escape if you love nature, photography, or quiet places. You can explore old salt mines, hike scenic trails, ride boats, or simply walk through the charming village streets. Every corner is photogenic. Hallstatt is small but unforgettable. A place where you can breathe fresh air, recharge your mind, and experience slow, simple European beauty. Many tourists compare it to a real-life fairy tale, and once you visit, you'll understand why.